What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, I've got some tires and wheels and kind of trying to make a decision with the CRX. I want to go full street mamma jamma with it, you know, with some sick drags on the front and some little narrows on the rear. And that leads me to, you know, what goes in there is kind of important to that kind of a build. There's a reason I left it in the plastic. Apparently, I mean, I didn't know that until just recently. I was on the interwebs, on the internet, clickety, right, trying to find an engine for this. Love to find a K series or whatever, you know, a hopped up Honda. And I mean, I was met with some gatekeeping nonsense in the beginning. That's always fun, you know. People like hoarding STL file information like it's nuclear secrets or something. And I did a couple searches on one of the sites. I can't stand the active. If you go to Colts, the whole page, like almost every thumbnail, is animated, and as you're searching for stuff, it's just it's kind of overwhelming. Trying to watch these little thumbnails all animating, going, wait, I want to see that one. Anyways, OCD complaint aside. I took it upon myself to, you know, go search and see what I could find, and I found some, but they were scaled for 1/64th. Yes, you can scale them up, but you tend to lose some detail. And so I reached out to someone that makes 3D files, and someone that I have purchased 3D files from in the past. Top-notch quality stuff. I have it on good authority that there will be an engine coming of some sort, a Honda engine coming soon. So with that in mind, this thing goes back in the box. It's going back in the box, back on the shelf, and we will wait. We'll just have to wait. I'll wait for quality. I mean, as it was, I was just kind of throw it together, do a quick out-of-box build, put some different tires on, and call it cool. But after learning that with 4 simple slices, I can open that hood and print something ridiculously cool to justify those tires. Yep, no brainer. So the bench is now empty. I don't know what I'm gonna build next. I don't know. Squirrel. These things, they actually spin. I don't know what, you know, the timeline has changed a little bit too because of personal things that are happening at the end of the year, but whatever. What goes on here, I don't know. I really don't know. I might just wind up doing some fiddly stuff, and, you know, maybe put that engine together and a couple of the 3D engines or something. So that's kind of really what's going on. It's a update on non-progress. Well, you can see the tires and stuff that I had chosen out here. I have a selection of what I call the usual suspects, you know, with any build. Like, I wonder what if, or what about those, what about these, or what about spinners, some swangers, you know, you never know. And I was stuck with the idea that something like that would look really cool. So we wait, and we'll find something to go here in the meantime. That's about it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.